Good morning. Today we will show the difference between the current method and Vedic method, part 7. Here I have taken example from Kiran IPBS bank clerk grade exam. Here they have advertised in their books that Vedic maths and data analysis have been included in this book. The chapter on Vedic mathematics is quite useful for quicker multiplication, division of very large number. There are many sutras and formulas which provide easier solution for complex multiplication, and they have mentioned Vedic math and they have also said about the casting out of nine method. Casting out of nine method. But they have 600 math in this book, but actually they have not done any single math with the help of this Vedic Sutra and casting out of nine method. So I am showing I have gone 6,000, they are 6,000 math, and I have done with the help of Vedic mathematics. Just you see the difference between the current method and Vedic method. It will be help for competitive exam very much. In competitive exam they will take 5 to 6 minutes, but with the help of Vedic method it will take at least 5 to 6 seconds. Just you see. 51 cube into, we have taken from Kiran book, page number 726, lesson 27. 51 cube into 14 cube minus 19077 square is equal to what? The option is given. We have taken the advantage of casting out of 9 method. Previously we have shown 14, 12, 20, 29, 2019 about casting out of 9 method, and previously in Hindi and English also. Now what is casting out of 9 method? If it is 9, take at it is 0. Suppose for example option is given, so that here you see 4, do add like this, 4 plus 5, 9 cancel, 6, 2, 1, 9 cancel. So this casting is 0. Here you see 9 cancel, 3, 3, 3, 9 cancel, remaining 7. So this casting is 7. Similarly, this is cancel, 7 to 9 cancel, 8 take 1 from here, that is cancel, remaining 2, 2 plus 5, that is 7. Its casting is 7. And here 9 cancel, 3 and 3, 9, 6 and 3, 9 cancel, 4 and 3, that is 7. So that this number casting is 7. Now, as per the current method, they have done it. In the book, I have taken from the book, this cube and this cube, this square, that big number, this into this, it will take long time, and minus this, the result is this. So that it will be take at least 5 to 6 minutes. But with the help of Vedic method, we will do it easily. Just you see. Here, by casting 5 plus 1, 6. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. That is 6 plus 3, 0. So that 0 into anything, another 6, 0. So that this figure by casting it is 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. So that is called 0. this is come 0, and minus a minus this one. The 9 cancel, 7 take 1, 8 take 1 from here, remaining 6. 6 square means 36. 36 means 3 plus 6, 9, that is 0. That is 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now, that is the sum. Sum casting is 0. And we will find out which option casting is 0. This will be our answer. This casting is 7, this casting is 7, this casting is 7, and this casting is 0. We have done all this casting. So that 1 is our answer, and we will be confirmed. And second example I have taken from that book only. 460 page set 10. 43% of this minus interrogative sign of 401 is equal to 158046, and option is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here do at first the casting. This is casting, do add like this, that is 7, that is 2, 3, that is 5, that is 2, 1, that is 3, that is 9 cancel, remaining 1, that is 1. So that we have done casting within a second. And now, as per the book, they have done it as per the current method, and it will take 5 to 6 minutes. But here, as per the Vedic, you see, make it casting 4, 3, that is 7, forget about this 100 because percentage, and into 9, 8 take 1, that is 9, remaining 2, 2 or plus 5, 7. 7 into 7, that is 49. So 49, 9 cancel, remaining 4. So this casting is 4, that is 4. And now this 4 and 1, 5, that is 5, it makes x. So that is minus 5x. This casting is 8, take 1, 9 cancel, 4, 5, 9 cancel, remaining 6. So this casting is 6. This comes our equation as per the casting. Now we know that is 4, if you 4 this side it will minus, remaining 2. And we will always convert minus sign into plus in Vedic and casting. So that minus 5 is equal to plus 4. How it is? That is minus 5 means 9 minus 5. Suppose minus 1. So 9 minus 1, that is plus 8. Minus like this, minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5, that is plus 4. So that we will always convert, we have shown our video previously, so that 4x is equal to 2. And x is equal to, suppose x is equal to 5. So 5 into 4, that is 20. So 20 casting 2. So that here is 2. So that x is equal to 5. So that answer is 5. Answer casting is 5. And suppose 4 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8, but it is 2. 4 3s are 12. That is 12. That is 12. That is casting 3, but it is 2. So that 4 5 are 20. So that it is 2. So that answer casting is x is equal to 5. So that we will see which option casting is 5, math casting. Here by casting it is 7, so it is not our answer. Here casting, here need 5, so that here casting is 5, so 2 is our answer. Here 3 by casting it is not our answer. Here 1 by casting it is not our answer. So that within 5-6 seconds we can do it easily. So that I will say to take the advantage of Vedic methods. Those who are following this, they are getting better marks in math, in competition exam. And I will go these differences between current method and Vedic method continuously. This is part 7. And I request all of you to follow it daily. Thank you very much.